Well, we're back and with a familiar scene. The damn wheel fell off again because the lug nuts were sheared off. So heavy. Wow, we went up to Midvale, Utah to pick up this thing. Shout out to Austinagi. On the way back, it felt a little bit wobbly just down the street. Luckily not on the freeway, and it was the studs. They come, one of them sheared off, or three of them are sheared off. I'm left with these two, so I'm gonna jack it up, throw two legs or whatever on top of there, and look at home. But yeah, check this out. Straight sheared off. So here we go, back again. We're gonna get to working on it. Jacked up, looks like everything is fine. Besides that little guy bent in right there, but dang, she's taking a beating on this end. There it is. Just a few minutes, the wheel is back on. Don't ask me why those two didn't shred off, but right now, luckily, it was these opposite ones, so we're like a mile away from home. It should hold. I'll take a few laps around the parking lot, make sure it's good. Shout out to Chloe. Well, last you saw, I think the car was on 3 wheels in that parking lot. We made it back. Been a week or so. The garage is a mess, and we have gotten a few more parts in. Some parts. This one. Don't know if I could get out one hand. This big box. Let's see what we got in here. Yeah. Weird. They sent me 4 when I only ordered 3, so we'll see what that's all about. So yeah, got the rear Bilstein 5100s, the extended length ones. I don't have extended coils in the back or any lift coils in the back, but in the future I'll throw some on here pretty soon, probably, honestly. Yeah, so they sent 2 of these, and then they sent 2 of the 5100s for the front, which I only ordered 1. They did email saying, hey, did you mean to order 2? And I said, no, 1, so I'm not sure if they charged me for 2. That's kind of weird. I'll have to talk to them about that, because I don't want to, steal one or something, but I definitely said I'm going to send 1. And then got some brake lines, steel braided brake lines from Wheelers Off-Road, because when I first wrecked the truck, the front wheel was hanging off. It was only held on by the brake line, so that was crazy. I'm pretty sure I stretched it out or something. So we'll throw on the red ones as well as the back ones. It's extended so that you can have the lift in the back and it's not flexed out, so there you go. Over here, this was the old one that was all bent up right here, so I just knocked out these studs because I was gonna order some new ones, and I remembered I had these ones and they're all in good condition, so I just knocked them out. I'm gonna throw these on right now. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm not gonna mess with any of the shock stuff right now. Honestly, she's looking rough right now. That paint, oof, that really bad paint job that I did is nice and faded from the summer, so I did not drive it once. And when the wheel fell off in the parking lot, freaking bent this thing up again that I straightened out. So we're probably just gonna leave that. This guy's all rusted up because somehow I lost the cap. I have no idea how. She's looking gnarly. But honestly, having it in the garage, driving it again, because I've been driving this thing right here, shout out to Eldon. Free car, so you can't complain. But having this thing back in the garage is like, damn, I want to start driving this again. Just gotta get some love on it, but as you see, we got stuff coming in, so we're gonna get her back on the road. This is it. All four sheared off. Jesus. These two are fine. Surprisingly, the brake pad is fine. This thing's bent and was making a ton of noise. Whoa. This thing is bent, making a ton of noise. Cut my freaking, forgot how fun it is working on your own stuff. Got a thick old deep cut right there. Sliced on this rusty freaking brake guard. So smack these out. Then I don't really know how to secure the new ones, but we'll figure it out. Just use this old ball joint and the sledgehammer to bang out these little nubs. And damn, it's fun banging at your car with a hammer, standing right next to it with your sketchy ass stands. So yeah, that was successful.